Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a graphic eyeliner and dewy skin look featuring the Ciate Dewy collection. Let's get started by brushing these brows upwards and filling them in with the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in the shade Soft Brown. I love using brow pencils, they're just so quick and easy. Once I'm happy with the shape and color, I'm brushing them up once more and using the Plouise base in the shade 0.5 to carve out the bottom edge of the brow for a more defined look. Then I'm setting the brows in place with the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt Mascara Gel. After that, I'm tapping the Plouise base all over my eyelid, going over it with a sponge to make sure it's nice and smooth, and then I'm dipping into the Ciate New England Editor Palette. I'm using just 2 shades of eyeshadow for my look today. First, I'm applying the soft matte brown shade all over the lid using the very fluffy Morphe JH31 brush. Next, I'm using a larger fluffy blending brush without any product to diffuse that so that it blends seamlessly into the base. The second shade I'm picking up is the matte coral shade. I'm applying that to the inner third of the lid using the Sigma E33 brush. Now for the graphic eyeliner, I'm taking the Eyeko Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Cocoa Edit, which is brown. I'm drawing a line against my lashes, dragging that out towards the tail of my brow in a standard wing shape, and then I'm going to where the coral meets the brown in the crease and drawing a line through the crease, connecting it to the end of the wing. Now I'm adding some of the Ciate grapefruit and yuzu burst revitalizing lip oil to my lips to keep them hydrated, and then I'm trying out the Dewy collection products. First, we have the Dewy Skin Primer. This is $28 and is infused with vitamin C. I love how glowy this is. After applying the Loreal Fresh Wear Foundation, I'm testing the Dewy Stix, which is $24. It disturbed my foundation a little when applying it, but after tapping it in with my fingers, it settled back together and created a unique glass skin finish. Next, I'm applying the Dewy Stix body version. This is a solid body oil. It looks really wet on the skin. After that, I'm bronzing with the Dewy Bronze. This is a $22 gel balm tint. It was pretty easy to blend with my fingers and looks so nice and glossy on the skin. Next, we have the Dewy Blush in the shade Papaya. This is super pigmented and gives a healthy flush of color. Finally, I'm adding on the Dewy Highlight. This looks darker than what it blends out to be, which is a lovely champagne pearl color. I was hoping this would pump up the glowy effect from the Dewy Stix and give more of an intense shine, but it sort of just blended to be the same luminosity. Now for concealer, I'm applying the Maybelline Superstay Active Wear Concealer in the shade 05. Once that's blended, I'm setting it in place with the Ciate Extraordinary Translucent Powder. After that, I'm setting and enhancing the cream products I just applied with the Ciate Glow 2 Blush in the shade First Date and the shade Clutch from the Pixi The Layers Highlighting Palette. I'm tapping my brush when doing this as to make sure I don't disturb any of the products. Then I'm spritzing on some of the Pixi Glow Mist and adding the brown eyeshadow which we used previously to my lower lash line. Next, I'm curling my lashes. applying the Maybelline Sky High Mascara in Cosmic Black, and popping on the Lashglamr lashes in the style Victoria. After that, I'm adding a little wing to the inner corner of the eye. I'm also blending the false lashes with my natural ones by tightlining with the Pixi Endless Silky Eye Pen. Then I'm making my eyes appear larger by adding the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner in the shade Polished White to my waterline and applying mascara to my bottom lashes. Finally, for lips, I'm applying the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon Lipstick in the shade Lead the Way from their Zodiac collection. And that completes this graphic eyeliner and dewy skin look. Let me know if you like dewy makeup in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!